Hey there folks, welcome back to another episode with Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating and Cooling and Electrical. I'm Michael Allie. Today we're diving into the topic that often misunderstood water softeners and whether they filter your water, so let's get right into it. First things first, let's clear up a common misconception. When we talk about water softeners, we are primarily addressing the issue of hard water caused by minerals like calcium and magnesium. But do water softeners actually purify your water? The short answer is no. Water softeners do an excellent job of removing those pesky minerals that cause hardness, but they don't touch other contaminants like bacteria or heavy metals. Now here's where things get interesting. You might be wondering, can I drink soft water? Well, technically, yes, you can, but should you? That's a different story. Softened water still contains sodium or potassium ions from the softening process, which can alter the taste and might not be the healthiest option for drinking. That's why we always recommend adding a water filtration system specifically designed for drinking water to ensure it's safe and tasty. Now let's tackle another common question. Do you still need a water filter if you have soft water? Absolutely. While softening your water is fantastic for reducing lime scale buildup and improving the performance of your appliances, it doesn't always address the potential contaminant lurking in your water supply. So pairing your water softener with a water filtration system for an extra layer of protection is a great idea. Lastly, let's discuss the differences between water softeners and filters. Think of a water softener as the superheroes fighting against the villains of hard water, while a filter are the guardians protecting your water from all sorts of nasties like chlorine, sediment, and pesticides. Both play a crucial role in improving water quality but have different jobs. Remember, when it comes to your home's water, it's all about finding the right balance between softness and purity. If you have any questions or need assistance with your water treatment system, please get in touch with us at Golden Rule Plumbing, Heating and Cooling and Electrical. Until next time, stay hydrated and keep those pipes flowing smoothly.